Hello everyone, I'm Hauge Lund Christensen from Denmark, and I'm trying to get World Squash Development Organization up and running here in Denmark. Besides that, I'm part of Danish Squash, where I'm working with the juniors and also trying to get squash on national TV on a regular basis. I have been part of World Squash Development Organization for a few years, and I've seen a lot of people coming in with good ideas and show how they get things done in their local clubs or in their communities around the world. And that is not strange, because this is a really great sport that we have here. Squash have all aspects to be a really great sport. And it is. I can see that on all the videos that people are sending in. So I hope to see more from you guys in the future, and looking forward to hear all your ideas. See you all.